In this video, I will show you how to completely reset Microsoft Edge. So open the Microsoft Edge. Now click on these three dots and settings. Now here is the option reset settings. Now click on restore settings to their default values. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pinned tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies, your favorites, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. So click on reset. To clear cookies and so click here cookies and site permissions. Now click on manage and delete cookies and site data. Here turn on and click on remove. So this is the way you can completely reset Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.